All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to add a signature to your emails. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Gmail account. In the blue circle, we have 3 dots. You're going to click on that. You're going to go to Manage Inbox Settings. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your General Settings, scroll all the way down. What you want to make sure that you click on is Insert Signature Before Quoted Text. So make sure that this is clicked on. Then you're going to input your personal information, your full name, the environmental health and safety technician, your location, your contact information, Imperfect Foods. All this information I'll be sending to you guys. But if you click on it to change the wording versus what's actually showing, you hit change. This is where you put the hyperlink, and then this is the text message or the text that will display on that actual link that they click on. On the bottom of it, you'll see the Imperfect Foods. So how you enter this is you hit insert image. Hit upload, and then you'll go to your desktop. I'll send you this as well. Perfect logo, click on it. And it'll be inserted wherever you have the actual tab at. So then once you're done, you hit Save Changes. So I'll go ahead and move this one. Hit Save Changes. Then when you hit Compose, this is how it should be showing. So every time you respond, this is what will be shown at the first part of the actual message. So let me know if this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll send you guys via email once I have this recording uploaded with the link so you can actually use that as reference. And let me know what else I can assist you with. All right. Thank you, guys.